Hello my God, this is just a quick vlog. It's just a tip kung paano ka magkakaroon ng 400 drops or water drops sa inyong Shopee Farm. Kasi as we all know, sa Shopee Farm, di ba, parang 50 lang yung maximum na water drops. Pero ito, magkakaroon ka ng 80 drops at pwede mo tong ulitin ng 5 beses for a total of 400 drops a day. So here are the steps that you have to follow para magkaroon ka ng 400 water drops every day sa iyong Shopee Farm. Alright, so now first step is to open the Shopee application. Naiinis na ako dito sa Shopee kasi medyo mabagal siya. Tsaka sobrang lakas na ito kumain ng mobile data. Pagbukas pa lang yan, parang 3 MB or 5 MB na ata. Napakadami kasi nga ganap sa homepage o diba? Tapos, let's go to Shopee Farm dito sa may right side. Itong pop-up na parang widget. And then play now. At let's just wait for this to load. Tapos, as you can see, ayan, 866 water ang kailangan natin in order for us to harvest the 5 coins from Shopee. So meron akong 50 water drops. Yan. And then paubusan natin yan. Dito na ngayon papasok yung trick in order for you to get 400 drops every day. Select ask for water and then copy link. Tapos open Chrome or any browser that you have that has incognito. Then nakita nyo po yung mga searches ko. Open new tab, close na natin to, new incognito. There you go. New incognito tab, select the web address field, paste the link that you copied from Shopee application, and then let's visit the website. Tapos wag nyo, ignore nyo lang yan, wag kayo magkatap ng kahit ano. Let's just wait for it to load. Tapos ayan, 816 yung drop count na kailangan para matapos tong next para matapos tong stage na to. So pag click mo yan, you will see na it will go down to 736. So 80 drop counts kaagad yung nabawas. So what we have to do next is to close the incognito again and then open another one. So paste ulit. Ulitin lang natin siya ng 5 beses kasi 5 beses lang to available every day. Wait lang, ayaw mag yan, paste. Again, ignore natin ulit tong open or download app. It will automatically redirect you to the, what do you call this, farm page or Shopee Farm page or whatever you want to call it. Tapos click ulit na ito and it will go down to 656, diba? From 736 naging 656. So dalawang beses natin ulit. So ulitin ulit natin ng 3 pa. Napakarami pa nito. Again, no incognito. Idediretso natin ito para makita nyo talaga na pwede mo siyang ulit-ulitin ng 5 beses every day. So, diba, mas maganda kapag meron kayong friends or relatives na may iba pang Shopee account, diba, makasulit siya. Pwede kayo mag-visit tapos open mo yung link doon sa menu incognito ng phone niya o di another 400 ulit yun. So oops, na-close. No incognito tab, pangatlo na yun ito pang-apat na to. From 576, it will go down to 496, diba? And pangina na yun, pangapat. So again, close this incognito tab, open a new one, tapos ayan, ulit. Again, let's wait for this to automatically redirect you to the page where you want to go, and click this one. It will go down to 416. Bang! Diba? That's how you do it. Just make sure that you will open it to incognito tab, and then before you do it again, make sure that you will close every incognito tab that you have, para ma-make sure mo na mauulit mo talaga yung pagdilig ng 80 drops doon sa may iyong tinatanim sa Shopee Farm. So ayun amigos, diba, napakasimple lang ng tips. Pupunta ka lang ng Shopee, click the Shopee Farm, select mo yung Ask Water, copy the link, open ka ng browser with incognito, and then paste mo yung link doon, tapos dilig. Same process lang, close mo yung incognito tab, or it's best if you will forcefully close the the browser, tapos do it again, diba? Sana magustuhan nyo yung tips ko, at sana makapag-ipon kayo ng marami sa Shopee Farm, kasi ako 5 coins lang inabutan ko eh. Unlike nung iba, merong rice, merong coffee, merong potato, ano pa ba, hindi ko, meron pa atang isa. So ayun, 3 coins. So that's it for this quick update amigos. Sana nagustuhan nyo to. Pag may mga nalaman pa ako mga ibang tricks sa mga online na shopping or kahit saan ba na pwede, sasabihin ko sa inyo para makatulong. So ayun amigos, thank you so much for watching this. If you have questions, don't forget to comment down below. You can ask anything or request anything that you wanna watch. And this has been me, Day Robbers with 2 Ls. Just like that, this vlog is over. Deuces.